Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the uMAKE mobile app works. uMAKE is a 3D CAD modeling design tool built for mobile devices. Users can sketch shapes using Touch or Apple Pencil, rotate models in real time, and apply materials and textures with intuitive gestures. The app allows exporting designs in formats like OBJ IGES, or STEP for use in professional CAD or 3D printing programs. The mobile version features a tutorial-based interface that guides beginners through drawing curves, surfaces, and solids. Users can tap on tools to extrude, revolve, or loft shapes, and pinch to zoom or orbit the 3D view. uMAKE also offers layers and snapping tools to improve precision, making it useful for concept sketches, product design, or architectural visualization on the go. Pros of uMAKE include powerful sketch to 3D capabilities on mobile, compatibility with Stylus input, and export options for professionals. Cons are that some advanced features require a subscription, and performance can slow with very complex models. The user interface also has a learning curve compared to simpler sketching apps. Recent reviews praise its ability to turn hand drawings into 3D models efficiently and highlight strong support for Apple Pencil. However, some users report occasional lag when working with detailed surfaces and mention that the subscription cost may deter occasional users. Overall, uMAKE offers mobile-first 3D modeling tools suited for designers and hobbyists who want to create precise models on a tablet or phone. Its sketch-based workflow and powerful export options make it a compelling design app with some trade-offs for complexity and price. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.